How to add automated responses to chat box. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to add automated responses to chat box. Now, adding automated responses to chat box can enhance user experience and streamline communication as well. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you can go ahead and select the chat box platform that offers automated responses or features. You can then open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in openai.com and log into your account. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the interface, something like this. Right on this page, tap the try bar icon from the top left hand side corner, and then you can go to your profile. And as you click on the profile, you'll be able to see this pop-up menu. So from there, you can go ahead and tap on customize your chat box, and when you do that, then you can see this pop-up menus. Over here you can just go ahead and select or enter in the details for what you actually wish to go ahead and customize your chat GPT or your chat box for. So I'm going to type in automated responses. When you have done that, you can go ahead and tap the save button located right at the bottom. Now you can go ahead and log out of your account and once again re-log in after refreshing, and that's how you can add automated responses to chat box. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.